Hey everyone, so today I want to show you how you can easily increase the font size on your Articulate Storyline player. So I'm just going to preview this current scene here just so you can see the current size of the player font. So we have our current size of the player font here. You can see that it's not huge, but I'm currently working on a project that requires us to enhance accessibility. So one way that we can do that is to increase the font. So what I want to do here is we had clicked into the player, and now in the player properties we're going to look at color and effect. Yes, so select colors and effect. And then you're going to go down to your player font size. By default, it's set at 100. Say we want to bump it up to 150%. Now we've increased the size of the player font. So let's just click OK. And then we're going to preview this scene again, and you'll notice the difference in the player font size. So now all of the player font size has been bumped up to 150% instead of 200, or instead of 100 rather. So it's just that easy to increase the size of your player font size in Articulate Storyline 360.